be going down that way towards the waterfall. Alright, let's go. It's funny how on camera you never really get that depth perception, you know? It's so weird. It's always steeper in videos than it looks. That's not too bad. That's like a natural stairway right there. Gotta be careful of this gravel or scree. Is this called scree? I think that's called scree, right? Sometimes your foot slides without you expecting it. Yeah, I wasn't planning on going that way. Well, I guess because the fence is kind of broken. Maybe there's a tree that fell on it. That happens. Alright. I can hear the waterfall. It's not too far away. Oh, oh man. All those stairs earlier. My legs are starting to get kind of shaky. But not to worry. I'll take a break. Probably after this, I think. After showing you guys the waterfall. That's interesting. Oh, must have been from when we were making that walkway that we saw earlier. Huh. A bridge? Makeshift bridge. Interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. Blanket? I wonder if someone lives here. Huh. If so, then wow. Gotta give him credit for being able to pull that off. Yeah, like a secret chunk. Oh, isn't that a beautiful picture? Alright, let's get closer. There we are. The top of the waterfall. I wish I could go closer to show you guys. Probably gonna be about as close as I can get. Let's see if I can get a better point of view, maybe. That's a bit better. I don't know if that's slippery. Oh, it's like spongy. How weird. I was not expecting that. If I can stand low, maybe, but even then, still have the fence in front. Let's see here. Maybe if I do this. Yeah. That's a bit better, isn't it? It's really not that much water. Wow, there's only like a little bit there. Usually that's completely full there and like pretty high up too, you can see here. Yep. The ever-changing seasons here in Canada. That tree is hanging on like horizontally to the cliff. That's funny. Wow, that's amazing. This is growing there, like no big deal. It's just, you know, hanging horizontally over freaking 150 feet. Look at that. Alright, well, I think that's about it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this adventure. I can get maybe a better view of the sunset. I think the sun is below the horizon at this point, but there you go, that's the last of the light before it disappears. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye for now.